Good morning, students. Again I am here with the new concept of chapter Knowing Our Numbers of class 7th, subtraction of integers. Just take a review of the concept addition of two integers. Whenever I am adding two numbers with the same sign, answer always will be with the positive sign. Whenever I am adding two numbers with the negative sign, answer always be with the negative sign. We have to add negative, negative, positive, but answer always will be with the greater term sign, or you can say that it would be also be in negative. When numbers are in positive or negative, negative or positive, vice versa, we have to subtract always. Positive, negative, plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus, minus. But answer always be with the greater term sign. Either it is positive or negative, but answer always will be of a greater term. Okay. Now we are moving towards the concept subtraction of integers. While subtracting two integers, we change the integer to be subtracted into its corresponding negative integer and then simplify. Means that पहले हमने उसके इंटीजर को साइन को सिंप्लीफाई करना है. पहले हमने उसके साइन को क्या करना है? सिंप्लीफाई. जस्ट इट इज +7. आई टोल्ड यू प्लस माइनस माइनस 3. अगेन प्लस माइनस माइनस. We have to subtract, but sign of the greater term. It would be positive 4. It would be positive 4. That is 4. We have a need to show positive sign. Okay. And so it would be simply 4. Once again more. Just I am taking an example of minus 18 plus minus 3. Sorry. Minus 3. Multiply minus sign with the negative sign. Negative, negative, minus, minus, plus 3. Now, minus 8 plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3. We have to subtract their numerical values and put the sign of the greater term. Which one is greater? 18 is greater. And sign of 18 is negative. 18 minus 3, that is 15. It would be minus 15. It is clear? Now, next thing is multiplication of integers. Whenever we are adding or doing subtraction in integers, we did not change the sign. Or you can say that in doing addition and subtraction, we will not change the sign. Simply we will simplify the things. See, we are adding two numbers with the same sign positive, answer will be positive. When we are adding two numbers with the same sign as negative, we will add the numerical value but with the negative sign. Now, multiplication of two integers. Multiplication of two integers. The product of two positive integers has a positive sign. While watching this video, you also have to keep your PDF in front of you, notes, whatever I have provided related to this chapter in front of you. So you can understand the theoretical aspects also very easily. See, I have a number plus 3 multiply plus 5. We have to multiply the numerical value. 3 into 5, that is 15. Answer always be with the positive sign. But whenever we are multiplying two statements with negative sign, minus 5 multiply minus 8. 8 5s are 40 and negative negative positive. One more, minus 5 multiply plus 8 plus minus minus. 8 5s are 40. Got it? When two statements are with the same sign positive, answer would be positive. When both are with the same sign negative, answer would be positive. When alternate signs are there, positive, negative or vice versa, negative, positive, answer always will be with the negative. It is clear? Now division of integers. Division of integers. It is also kind of multiplication of integer. It is also very easy concept. The division of two positive integers or two negative integers give a positive quotient. As I told you in the while doing multiplication, when same signs are there in multiplication, answer always will be with the same sign. When both are negative or both are positive, but when opposite signs are there, answer always will be in the negative. The division of two positive integers or two negative integers give a positive quotient. For example, plus 4 divided by plus 2. 4 upon 2, we will do cutting, answer would be 2. And if we are doing minus 4 divided by minus 2, negative negative will be cut, answer always will be with the positive. But when we are doing with the opposite sign, I am taking one more example. Here I am taking the division of a positive integer by a negative integer, or the division of negative with the positive integer give a negative sign. Plus 4 divided by minus 2. 4 divided by minus 2, that is minus 2. Or either minus 4 divided by 2, minus 4 divided by 2, that is minus 2.